Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope that you are healthy and excited to learn something new today. Before we start, please prepare your mathematics textbook and stationeries. Today, we are going to learn more about how to find the perimeter and area of rectangles. First, we are going to learn more about perimeter. Please open your math textbook, page 145. Now, open your textbook, page 145. Lionel draws a square. Each side of the square is 6 cm long. How do we find the perimeter of the square? Last week, we learned about perimeter. Do you remember what the perimeter of a VQ is? The perimeter of a VQ is the total length around it. Hence, we have to add up all its sides to find its perimeter. Is there another way to find the perimeter of the square? Yes, the square has 4 equal sides, so there are 4 6 to be added, or we multiply the length of the side by 4. Another example, Juliet draws a rectangle. The shorter side of the rectangle is 2 cm long. The longer side of the rectangle is 5 cm long. To find its perimeter, we have to add up all its sides. So, 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 14 cm. Is there another way to find the perimeter of the rectangle? Yes! The rectangle has 2 longer sides, which are equal, and 2 shorter sides, which are also equal. We can first find the total length of one pair of longer sides and the shorter side, and then multiply it by 2. So, 2 plus 5 equals 7, and then we multiply 7 by 2. Hence, the perimeter is 14 centimeters. Now, open your textbook, page 146. Look at this VQ. How do we find the perimeter of this VQ? We have to add up all its sides to find its perimeter. So, 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 13 meter. Its perimeter is 13 meter. Do you understand so far? Now, please do the practice on page 146. You can pause this video while doing it. Are you done? How is it? Great! Okay, let's check your answer. Number 1. Find the perimeter of the VQ. How do we find the perimeter of this VQ? Great! We have to add up all its sides to find its perimeter. So, 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 15 centimeter. Next, Number 2. 4 square tiles of sides 12 cm make a large square tile. What is the perimeter of the large square? The length of the small square tile side is 12 cm, and the length of the large square tile sides is 2 times the length of the small square tile side. So the length of the large square tile side is 2 times 12 cm or 24 cm. After we find the length of the large square tile sides, we have to add up all its sides to find its perimeter. So 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 is equal to 96 cm. Or we can also multiply the length of the sides by 4. Do you understand so far? Good. But if you don't, you can ask me. Next, we are going to learn more about the area of rectangles. Please open your math textbook, page 147. Look at the figures on the grid below. Mia makes a rectangle using 1 cm squares. Do you still remember how to find the area of the figure? Great job by counting the squares. So, by counting the squares, we know that the area of the rectangle is 15 square centimeters. Look at the rectangle again. The length of the rectangle is 5 cm and the breadth is 3 cm. The area of rectangle can be found by multiplying its length by its breadth. Hence, the area of the rectangle is 5 times 3 is equal to 15 square centimeter. Now, open page 148. The length of the rug is 6 meter and its breadth is 3 meter. What is the area of the rug? To find the area of the rug, we multiply its length by its breadth. Hence, the area of the rug is 6 times 3 is equal to 18 square meter. We can also look at the rug this way. Hence, the area of the rug is 3 times 8 is equal to 18 square meter. You can choose which side will be the length and which side will be the breadth. However, usually the longer sides become length, but it is fine if you choose the opposite. Do you understand so far? Now, please try to do the practice on page 149 by yourself first. You can pause this video while doing it, and we will discuss it later. Are you done? How is it? Well done. Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1. The length of a rectangle is 6 cm and the breadth is 4 cm. What is the area of the rectangle? The area of the rectangle can be found by multiplying its length by its breadth. Hence, the area of the rectangle is 6 times 4 is equal to 24 square centimeter. Number 2. What about this? The length of a rectangle is 9 centimeter. And the breadth rectangle is 8 centimeters. Do you know the area of the rectangle? You are right. Multiply its length by its breadth. Hence, the area of the rectangle is 9 times 8 is equal to 72 square centimeter. Number 3. Now, we have to find the area of a square. Look at the video. The length of the square is 5 cm. Remember that the lengths of all sides of a square are equal. So, to find the area of rectangles, we can multiply 5 by 5. Hence, the area of the squares is 5 times 5 is equal to 25 square meter. Okay, now please do practice 4 and practice 5 in your math workbook. You are only asked to do practice 4 numbers 1D, 2D, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 10. And practice 5 numbers 1A, 2D, 3C, 6, 8, 9, 10. However, if you want to do all the questions, it will be great and I will check the answers for you. Do your best, capture your work clearly and send it to me through the Google Classroom. Have a great time. Thank you.